your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great and very busy for the upcoming festivals like Eid is coming, Ugadi, Pongal and Easter. All are enjoying, right? So friends, today I also brought for you the new exclusive varieties from Kesaria Manufacturers, which are only from the ready-made segment. If I talk about these collections are ready-made churidar varieties from top, bottom and dupatta, 3-piece and 2-piece concept top and bottom. If I talk about these collections varieties, it starts from 700 rupees to 1300. Quickly you can add into your business, retailers, dealers, wholesalers, businesswomen, entrepreneurs, boutique retailers. These collections are huge profitable business. Keep watching this video, subscribe the channel. Easily you can do COD options, advance payments and making your customers happy, and you can have a huge profit at your business, right? So let's have the samples and you can take a screenshot. This code, I just want to say the code is in this code, the code is only same code, but the numerical number will be changed different. So these are the collections. I'll just say the code of these codes are the number which is differs, but it's in the name of BLD. BLD, Bangalore, Ludhiana, Delhi, BLD. These are the capital letters, and there will be every pattern you'll find out the 229, 232, the codes. I'll just show you. Keep watching, subscribe the channel, easily, quickly add into your business. First pattern, beautiful two-tone shade of this color, onion pink with mild, so beautiful thread work, and this is a beautiful mini v-neck has been given, baby pink with onion pink, and this is a beautiful bottom, and this is a elastic based. In this you will see the very beautiful sequence work with jerry, crushed jerry on the thread work. This is a pattern. Okay, this is a beautiful dupatta. I'll just show you. This comes like this, and this is the bottom. This is a kurti. Okay, in this you have a 3-piece concept. Next pattern with the black color. Okay, sequence work, heavy print, bottom, plain, dupatta, beautiful print come dupatta. See, this is a black color. All these varieties are very pretty. You can wear as a one-side dupatta or two-side. So this is also beautiful pattern. If we talk about the next pattern, Jimmy Choo with the chumki work, with the thread work, Jimmy Choo fabric, settle color with the lavender color thread work has been designed. This is top, this is bottom, dupatta with butta work and with the print. See, all these exclusive new unique varieties for Eid festival, for Telugu Ugadi New Year, for Pongal New Year, and even for the beautiful, for the Easter festival. All these collections you can easily purchase. And I have a Rani color with a beautiful heavy golden matte sequence work with the print. With this you have a plain bottom, and you have a wiring work, and dupatta also very length, very pretty. This is a dupatta. See, every pattern you will find out like such exclusive unique varieties. If I want only chudidars and 2-piece concept, you can contact Kesaria Manufacturers. These collections today I am showing around approximately 700 rupees to 1300. I have not mentioned the specific price over here. If you want to know the specific price, please take a screenshot and call our online team. Chocolate color with the half white, western type, 2-piece concept. Beautiful chocolate color with the small mini pearl has been placed on the neck base, V-neck pattern. This is a chocolate color, 3/4 sleeves, bold print of the half of the bottom. See, For this you need dupattas, the cotton based. You will get a plain printed, all unique latest collections. If we talk about the next variety, blue, beautiful blue color with the running half white with V-neck pattern, very stylish print, 3/4 sleeves, and this is a bold print of bottom pant. Sizes also available. And the last pattern, half white with digital print, rayon fabric with mini butta print, batik print I can say. So with the digital contrasted bold floral, creamish color pant, bottom half white, and dupatta, very pretty with the red with golden, long dupatta with the golden mat border. See, very pretty of this collections. Every pattern you will have a different color varieties, even the color charts. I'm just going to show you the colors. I've showed you one Rani color, right? This is a Rani color set, and now I've showed you the half white. This is a half white, and I've showed you the chocolate color top and bottom, and I've showed you the blue color, blue with white, and the black color 3-piece concept. See, all these catalogs with the photocopy you can purchase. The code is BLD231229. All this BLD which starts 232 is the code. So these are all collections I've showed you, ready-made segment from 3-piece, 2-piece, no damages, no quality issues, no quantity issues, right manufacturers, whether online purchase, offline purchase, video calling purchase, cash on delivery options, advance payments, bookings, multiple varieties with the color charts with multiple sizes, even from youngsters, college girls, teens, aunties, moms, every woman with college girls and all sizes with settled colors, dark colors, even the men varieties, kids collections, everything you can buy at one place. That's what a Kesaria manufactures. So hope you will like this collection. So enjoy this festival season for Eid, Easter, Pongal, Ugadi by ordering these collections. Enjoy and let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. Keep supporting me. There's a bell icon. Just click it, share the link with your friends, relatives, everyone regularly to follow for regular updates of the collections, website page and social media pages. Follow, subscribe the channel. Next video will come up with more collections. Until then, keep supporting. Take care. Bye-bye.